Here we have a 1960 Mackenzie Cutty Hunk 26 wooden boat on a homemade custom trailer. A lot of history in this boat. There's not many left that are in the condition this boat is. Here's a shot from the stern. Originally this boat had a lapstrake bottom. As many people that have owned these boats in the past, or have known anyone who's owned them, they have a history of leaking. This boat's been fully fiberglassed on the bottom and sealed to prevent leaking. Quick shot of the cockpit. Also the stern controls. There's two sets of controls for fishing toward the stern and your tiller arm. And also a freshly rebuilt 327 Corvette engine with Crusader kit. Here's the cabin with storage in the bow. And one final look at the 1960 Mackenzie Cutty Hunk with 327 Corvette engine.